Personal finance and financial literacy. Building resilience and achieving long-term goals. Personal finance and financial literacy are essential skills that can significantly impact your quality of life. Effective management of money is not just about accumulating wealth but about building a solid foundation for financial stability and achieving long-term goals. Let's dive into practical tips and strategies for budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt, with a focus on building financial resilience and setting yourself up for future success. The first step in budgeting is gaining a clear picture of your financial situation. Track your income sources and categorize your expenses. This includes fixed costs, rent, utilities, and variable costs, groceries, entertainment. Tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets can help streamline this process. Based on your tracked income and expenses, create a budget that allocates funds to different categories. The 50-30-20 rule is a helpful guideline. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Regularly review your budget to ensure you're staying on track. Adjust categories as necessary based on changes in income or expenses. This ongoing process helps maintain financial control and allows you to make informed decisions. Identify short-term and long-term financial goals, such as saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or buying a home. Your budget should align with these goals, prioritizing spending that supports them. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund helps prevent debt accumulation during emergencies. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to ensure consistent saving. This pay yourself first strategy makes saving a priority and removes the temptation to spend the money. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more you benefit from compound interest. Contribute to retirement accounts such as a 401k or IRA. Take advantage of employer matching contributions if available. Having specific goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or a child's education, helps motivate you to save. Create a timeline and calculate how much you need to save each month to reach these goals. Investing involves putting money into assets with the expectation of generating returns. Common options include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each type has different risk levels and potential returns. Diversification reduces risk by spreading investments across different asset classes. This means not putting all your money into one type of investment. A diversified portfolio can include a mix of stocks, bonds, and other investments. Assess your risk tolerance to determine how much risk you're comfortable taking. Younger investors might take on more risk for higher returns, while those nearing retirement may prefer safer, more stable investments. Periodically review your investments to ensure they align with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance your portfolio if necessary to maintain your desired asset allocation. List all your debts, including the amounts owed, interest rates, and monthly payments. This gives you a clear picture of your liabilities and helps prioritize which debts to address first. Use strategies like the snowball method, paying off smaller debts first, or the avalanche method, paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, to structure your repayments. Choose the method that best motivates you. Limit the use of credit cards and avoid taking on new debt while working on repayment. Stick to a budget that prevents unnecessary spending and focuses on paying off existing debt. If debt becomes overwhelming, consider consulting a financial advisor or credit counselor. They can provide personalized advice and help create a manageable repayment plan. Keep yourself educated about financial topics through books, online courses, and credible financial news sources. Staying informed helps you make better financial decisions and adapt to changes. Beyond an emergency fund, consider having insurance coverage for health, auto, and property. Proper insurance helps protect against unexpected financial burdens. Diversify your sources of income to increase financial security. This could involve a side job, freelance work, or passive income from investments. Prepare financially for major life events such as buying a home, starting a family, or retiring. Each of these events requires careful planning and saving to ensure a smooth transition. Establish specific, measurable, and time-bound financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, funding education, or retiring comfortably, having clear goals provides direction and motivation. Financial planning is an ongoing process. Regularly review your progress towards your goals and adjust your strategies as needed based on changes in income, expenses, or life circumstances. Achieving long-term financial goals requires discipline and patience. Stick to your budget, continue saving and investing, and avoid impulsive financial decisions. Recognize and celebrate milestones along the way. Whether it's paying off a debt or reaching a savings goal, acknowledging your achievements helps maintain motivation and reinforces positive financial habits. Mastering personal finance and financial literacy is more than just a set of skills. It is a lifelong commitment to achieving financial stability and fulfilling your goals. By diligently applying the principles of budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, you are not only building a solid financial foundation but also cultivating a mindset of resilience and foresight. Here's why these practices are crucial and how they contribute to long-term success. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial management. It provides you with a clear view of your income and expenses, enabling you to make informed decisions about where your money goes. A well-structured budget helps prioritize your spending, ensures that your resources are allocated towards your financial goals, and prevents overspending. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget keeps you on track and allows you to adapt to changes in your financial situation. By mastering the art of budgeting, you take control of your financial future and create a plan that aligns with your personal goals and values. Savings are your financial safety net and a critical component in building financial resilience. An emergency fund provides security against unforeseen expenses, reducing the likelihood of accumulating debt in times of crisis. Automating your savings ensures consistency and removes the temptation to spend, making saving a natural part of your financial routine. Long-term savings for retirement or specific goals, such as buying a home or funding education, require discipline and planning. By setting specific goals and systematically saving towards them, you create a pathway to achieving your dreams and securing your financial future. Investing is a key strategy for growing your wealth and achieving long-term financial independence. Understanding different investment options and diversifying your portfolio helps mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. Investing early leverages the power of compound interest, which can significantly increase your wealth over time. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment strategy ensures that your portfolio remains aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. By making informed investment decisions, you build a financial cushion that supports your future aspirations and enhances your overall financial well-being. Effective debt management is crucial for maintaining financial health and avoiding financial strain. Understanding the nature of your debt, creating a structured repayment plan, and avoiding further debt accumulation are fundamental steps in managing your financial obligations. Employing strategies like the snowball or avalanche method can accelerate debt repayment and reduce financial stress. Seeking professional advice when needed ensures that you have a comprehensive plan to tackle debt and rebuild financial stability. By addressing debt proactively, you pave the way for financial freedom and reduce the burden of interest and repayment pressures. Financial resilience is the ability to withstand and adapt to financial challenges. Staying informed about financial matters, having adequate insurance coverage, and developing multiple income streams contribute to a robust financial foundation. Preparing for major life events and unforeseen circumstances through strategic planning and saving enhances your ability to handle disruptions and setbacks. By fostering financial resilience, you not only protect yourself against potential risks but also position yourself to seize opportunities and navigate changes with confidence. Setting and achieving long-term financial goals requires a combination of strategic planning, disciplined execution, and ongoing evaluation. Clear, attainable goals provide direction and motivation, while regular reviews and adjustments ensure that you remain aligned with your objectives. Celebrating milestones along the way reinforces positive financial habits and maintains motivation. By remaining disciplined and patient, you build the foundation for a secure and prosperous financial future. In conclusion, personal finance and financial literacy are indispensable tools that empower you to take control of your financial destiny. By integrating effective budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management practices into your daily life, you not only achieve financial stability but also pave the way for a fulfilling and secure future. The journey towards financial well-being is continuous, requiring ongoing effort, learning, and adaptation. Embrace these principles with dedication and foresight, and you will build a resilient financial foundation that supports your aspirations and secures your long-term success. Your financial future is in your hands. By mastering these skills and strategies, you are taking the most important step towards a prosperous and empowered life.